Massive winter storms are impacting all 50 states this morning. In the South, at least 4 deaths are being blamed on the storm pummeling Florida, where multiple tornadoes were reported, and hundreds of thousands of people are waking up without power on the East Coast after torrential downpours and flash flooding. CBS News' Lana Zak is in New Milford, New Jersey, following the rising waters there. Lana, what's it looking like out there?
It's wet, Anne-Marie, and it is getting wetter by the moment. You know, where I was standing actually 2 hours ago, it was completely dry. And residents here, they're not strangers to flooding, but they tell me that they've never experienced it at this time of year.
In New York City, behind the wheel and on the pavement, New Yorkers fought the commute home last night, battling swamp streets and whipping winds.
It's really windy out here, and forget about the umbrellas. Try to use a hood. The umbrella's not going to work.
Those gusts that reached between 40 and 50 miles per hour, part of a system that walloped the East Coast, inundating streets and turning them into rivers, including Ridgewood, New Jersey, which saw about 4 inches of rain in less than 24 hours. The storm also slamming the Philadelphia area, flooding businesses and damaging homes like this one after a tree fell onto its roof in Westchester, Pennsylvania. In Annapolis, Maryland, the nearby Severn River spiked to a historically high level of 5 feet, pouring onto roads and leaving them so impassable, this person swapped their car for a kayak.
Kind of alarming to see. I didn't realize how crazy it gets.
And crews have been working so hard overnight to try and restore power. There's about 55,000 people in New Jersey that are still without it. Many of the towns around here reached flood stage overnight, but the danger is not over. Many of those rivers around here, Anne-Marie, aren't expected to crest until Thursday or even Friday.
So I guess I'm presuming that that's the concern moving forward. When you say to me where you were standing was dry not too long ago and it's still raining, I'm thinking, it's not going to be a good day for people in New Milford.
Yeah, well, it's not even that it's still raining. The rains have stopped, but all the floodwaters now, as the floodwaters are being processed into the septic systems, the drain water, it's all overflowing those rivers and catchment areas, and so that's why it's continuing to rise. And honestly, I think it's probably risen a half an inch on my boots just since you and I started talking. These waters are coming up pretty quickly. So anybody who is heading out today in flood areas, make sure you give yourself tons of time. Be smart. Don't do what I contemplated doing at one point, which was like, can I walk through it? You know better than that. I know better than that. I didn't do it. You shouldn't either. Everybody, take your time today.
Yeah, that's right. You want to tell the news. You don't want to make the news, Lana. Thank you so much.
That's exactly right, Anne-Marie.